Alright, I'm back again with another review. Thank you for coming back to my channel to check this out. I'm back with the Fifine technology lav mic, and let's get right into it. So the reason I got this mic is because I'm starting a YouTube channel for pranks. So I'm gonna be pulling pranks on people, all types of stuff. I've got all types of stuff in the mail coming for props and stuff like that for the pranks. We also have a huge stack of cash right here that we're going to be pulling on people. Of course, it's not real money, but it is what it is. So starting off, you get a little book to tell a little book to tell you how to hook up everything and stuff like that. So whatever. Little phone. I don't know why I touched it like that. All right. So here's one piece, comes with a metal hook. I actually thought that was plastic, but it's on there pretty good, so it feels like it'll connect very well. My batteries. Thank you for bringing the batteries, Fifine. That was lovely, and no, this isn't sponsored or anything like that. I wish, but it's definitely not. Yep, it comes with the batteries for you. Let's see, it comes with the mic, a little soft foam tip, got your little clip on there, clip it on your shirt. I'm gonna just go ahead and put this in right now. So it's actually really good quality. I thought it was gonna be like super cheap, like Chinese thing, but okay, clips in there real nice. Very nice. Oh, it comes with this.
Comes with this.
Bro, I just went out and bought one from, if yours doesn't come with one, I just went out to, oh, I'm so pissed. I just went out to Guitar Center and bought this right here. This is the adapter for this. This is the adapter to plug in to the camera, and since my camera doesn't have a mic port, I ordered this thing. I think it was like $6. That's wifey. Let me answer that for I get in trouble. So what do you want to do? I'm home. Yeah, one thing I hate about the iPhone. I wish I had the Android, the little swipe keyboard, but keep the iPhone. iPhone XS Max. It is a lovely phone. So yeah, I got this. Sorry, I got this off Amazon. I believe it was like $6 or something like that. But it comes with one, which I didn't know that. So if yours doesn't come with one, Amazon has one. So just in case I break this or the cord rips or anything, my dog chews it up, I have one just in case. So clear some of this stuff out the way. So this part, don't need. That's all that's in the box, so I'm going to move this aside. I don't know what this is. What is this? It's like a bookmark or something. Don't care. Alright, so let's go ahead and get these batteries in there, because I actually want to plug this into my camera and test it out, because I have the Canon sx530. I'm on like a budget YouTube build, so I'm going to plug this in and get this all hooked up, get the batteries put in to make sure everything works, and we'll go from there. So first, this over. Oh yeah, very nice. And I'm gonna go ahead and get this plugged in. God damn, that's gonna be a long cord. And it doesn't come with no stickies or anything like that, because my camera doesn't have the mount on the top. It looks like it can get one, but it doesn't have one. So I'm gonna buy like some Velcro or something, like the sticky Velcro, so I can just like clip it to the top when I need to. But let's get this open. My keys. So satisfying when you tear the plastic. If anyone is on Xbox, please add your boy. I'll put my gamer tag in the description. So let's see, which one gets the AA batteries? I was watching this. Sorry, I know that's probably annoying for you guys. But I know she's going to bitch me out because I didn't go to her parents' house. Why didn't you call? Starting already. So that's the life of being married. Gotta answer to your PO or your wife. So I call her PO. But I've never really been in trouble, so never had to deal with that, but it feels like it. Come on, key. I got my mustache key because I'm cool. All right, let's get it going here. There we go. I don't have Amazon Prime. It actually took like fucking 10 or 12 days for it to come. Okay, positive side up. Boom, boom. Okay, that is in there. Get my double A's. It has a little latch right here, so you can just stick your fingers. Very nice. I cannot wait to test this out. So I'm gonna get this plugged into the camera, and this is the audio that the sx530 has. So if you ever get the Canon sx530 HS, this is the audio that it comes with. And let's see what it sounds like with the Fifine sound. Sorry, I'm throwing everything in front of the camera. I am a noob, but I don't care. I'll be right back. Let's get it all worked up. All right, we are all connected. It has a bunch of channels and almost fell and busted my ass, but who cares? Let me be cool and put out the little cheap ass antenna that it comes with, which I did not show you guys. So right here. Oh, how ancient. But anyways, it is on. The light turns red when it's connected. This is going to be the audio for it, so I don't know how it sounds. I don't know how it's picking it up. I'm going to clip this on my shorts real quick. God damn! That clip is no joke. Oh, there it is. So, I don't know how it sounds. I don't know how I'm coming in, if I'm coming in better, if I'm coming in too loud, if I'm too quiet. But that's how it sounds. Little clap. Let's try a little music here. I don't know why I would play music during I do it, but let's just see. Let's just hit play. That's a little sample of that. Don't get copyrighted for that. I heard that if this mic isn't like you're talking like directly into the top, if it's like turned to the side, the audio's all weird. So I'm gonna, I don't know why I just showed you guys my junks. So I'm gonna turn this to the side so you can hear what it sounds like over here, over here, over here. So if you're doing a prank or someone's around you and they're talking, hopefully it actually picks it up. So I'm just gonna walk around real quick. My house is really dirty, so don't mind that. So I'm just gonna walk around here. I don't know if you can still hear me or not. I don't know how it's coming in. I hope it's coming in really, really great. I'm actually gonna go outside since I have the windsock on it and see what it sounds like with the wind. So and I actually want to check out the camera's stabilization when it's on a video. So let's go ahead and go outside real quick. Grab all of this fine stuff. Let's try and set this up. So I don't know what time it is. It's probably like 6 o'clock right now. So this is what it's like out in Fredericksburg, Virginia. Let me aim that to the yard. Sorry, it's probably a little crooked, but I'm sorry. Oh, I'm aiming, okay. Alright, so I'm gonna walk out there right now. So here we go. Just walking out here. Oh, I wonder what it sounds like if I actually jump on the trampoline. Pick me up pretty good. I'm probably like what, 30 feet away from it right now. So I don't know. I look crazy to my neighbors because I'm walking around talking to myself. But who cares? So this is the Fifine KO37. It comes with the adapter, so you don't need one. If your camera doesn't have a microphone with it, the microphone port, let me zoom out, probably on my face really close. Doesn't have the microphone port, then you're going to need to go ahead and grab you one. Yeah, this cord is extremely long, but who cares? So I hope it's picking up really nice. I hope you guys subscribe to my channel. Sorry, I pressed a random button on the back of my camera. I'm such a noob. But I hope you guys subscribe to my channel, like my channel. I'm telling you, the pranks are going to be fire. They're going to be super lit. I'm going to be giving you guys bangers every single week. I got fake money, which I'm going to be asking people, what would they do for $30,000 cash? Like, what would you do? for $30,000. Would you kill someone? Would you hide a body? Would you have sex with someone? Who knows? I don't know. I don't know what I would do, but I would probably do some crazy stuff for $30,000. And this is the Fifine mic. This is another review. Hopefully it's a little better. This is the camera's quality, the audio, everything hooked up. Have a great day.